Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you love kitchen gadgets that save time and make cooking fun, you're in the right place. Today we are counting down the top 5 must-have Amazon kitchen gadgets of 2025. Let's go. Looking for the perfect kitchen gadget to make hosting a breeze? Meet our number 1 pick, the Crock-Pot large 8-quart programmable slow cooker. Priced at just $89. This sleek black stainless steel slow cooker is a game changer for family dinners, parties, and holiday feasts. With an 8-quart capacity, it easily feeds 10+ people, ideal for big gatherings. The digital timer lets you set cook times up to 20 hours, while the auto-warm function keeps food at the perfect temperature after cooking. No more cold meals. Plus, if the power goes out, the memory functions save your settings. Cleaning is effortless. Just pop the removable stoneware pot and lid into the dishwasher. And with its modern design, it'll look great in any kitchen. Get yours today and make cooking easier, smarter, and stylish. Link in the description below. Next up on our top 5 kitchen gadgets of 2025, the Nuwave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven. This 10-in-1 powerhouse is a must-have for any kitchen, priced at just $149. With a massive 21-quart capacity, this stainless steel convection oven does it all. Air frying, baking, roasting, dehydrating, and even making pizza. And yes, it fits a full-size pizza without hogging your counter space. What sets the Bravo apart? Total control. Adjust temperature, 50 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. Tweak top and bottom heaters, 0% to 100%, and even customize fan speed for perfect results every time. Want a crispy crust and melty cheese? Set the bottom heater to 70% and top to 30%. Voila! Restaurant quality pizza at home. It's PFAS-free, packed with 10 presets, air fry, toast, broil, and more, and features an interactive digital display for effortless adjustments mid-cook. No need to restart, just tweak settings on the fly. Customers love its speed and versatility, though a few mention the learning curve. Cleanup? Some say it's a breeze, while others struggle with stuck-on grease. So keep that in mind. For fast, flexible, and foolproof cooking, the Nuwave Bravo is a game changer. Grab yours with the link below. At number 3 on our list, this all-in-one kitchen powerhouse that replaces 7 appliances in one. Meet the countertop food blender and hot soup maker. Yours for just $94. This 1200W beast does it all. Blends, chops, purees, grinds, even makes hot soup and soy milk. Its 8-blade steel cutter pulverizes anything, frozen fruit, nuts, even ice, into smooth, nutrient-packed drinks without filtering. Craving hot tomato soup for dinner? Use the 12-hour preset to wake up to a ready meal. Or blend a frosty smoothie in seconds. It handles hot and cold with ease. Cleanup? Just add water and hit self-clean. With 9 one-touch programs, it's a no-brainer for busy homes. Ditch the clutter and grab this space-saving hero. Link below. Pasta lovers, rejoice! Our number 4 pick is the Gvode 3-in-1 pasta maker machine. Your ticket to restaurant-quality noodles at home for just $49. Simply attach this durable aluminum pasta maker to your KitchenAid stand mixer, and you're ready to roll. With 8 thickness settings, from paper-thin lasagna sheets to thick fettuccine, you'll craft perfect pasta every time. Includes 3 cutters for spaghetti, fettuccine, and flat sheets, plus a protective cover to keep dough out of your mixer. Cleanup? A quick brush, hand wash only, and you're done. Ideal for gifts or your own kitchen. This gadget turns weeknight dinners into gourmet experiences. Manja, link in description. And finally, our number 5 must-have gadget, the Jevi 10-cup coffee maker with built-in burr grinder. For $159, this isn't just a coffee machine, it's your personal barista. Freshness first. The built-in grinder crushes beans right before brewing, unlocking richer flavor than pre-ground coffee. Customize your cup with 3 strength levels and 8 grind settings, whether you love bold espresso style or smooth drip. Smart and convenient. Heavy checkmark programmable timer. Wake up the hot. just brewed coffee. Heavy checkmark 2-hour keep warm. Adjustable from 15 to 120 minutes at 167 degree F+. Heavy checkmark reusable filter, eco-friendly and cost-saving. Heavy checkmark auto shutoff for safety. Ideal for homes or offices. It's 1.5 L tank brews 2 to 10 cups in sleek black/silver. Reviewers rave. The grinder is a game changer. So fresh and super intuitive digital controls. Pro tip, clean it once before first use, then enjoy cafe quality coffee daily. No extra supplies needed. Upgrade your mornings. Click the link now.